Hello, good morning. So let's straight go into today's topic. So it will be the usual presentation of the pre-market, post-market, and then the trading calls for today. So how the markets is going to behave today. So at least in the first half, it's going to be positive. So and why it is, we'll quickly have a detailed look on it, and then we'll move on. So quickly, this is the products which we offer. Have a look at it, and then this is a disclaimer. Have a look at it. You can pause and have a look at it, and finally you can do this. With this straight, we can go to the markets. So the market, the post market, how it is. Then we'll come to the trading calls. So uh, compared to the thing which we were mentioning yesterday, so the morning off was as per the projections, and then if you see here, it did turn volatile here, and then it turned positive, and from here it was in the positive domain, and till this part is what the usual prediction which you have to take. So and then yesterday the Nifty, where you have to compare with the Nikki. So the Nikki did showed some pattern which is on the positive side. So why I'm saying this is in the post market of yesterday is in context with today's market. So in today's market, it the whatever the pre-market prediction, so it would be like out of 5 days, the morning projections till 10 o'clock, it will be good for any of the projections which you may be seeing. So that is one point. So how today it will be happening is based on this one which we are saying. So around now it has been around 1%, it's going to be positive. So why it is? Because the Nasdaq was significantly positive. So and then how significant? Similarly to yesterday, we will go and check it. So it is showing strength from time to time. So you could see here. So similarly, our market could be behaving like this, and in fact it was negative yesterday, and then we did project negative, and then but there was another signal coming from the present time market, which was Nikki. So Nikki, it was showing a significant uptick after falling. So there was a signal that something positive may happen, so and it did happen similarly. But today if you see, there is from strength to strength, it is moving up. So there will not be any volatility today on the downside, or else volatility towards the upside also. It should be a uptick and a gradual uptick. So what does this mean is, today it's going to be a trending market on upside, and for day traders it may be easy for them to pick up stocks. So we, with this as a background, we'll try to pick up the stocks, and then when I say the trading is going to be easy for the buyer side, it applies to the futures and options as well. Options also, yesterday we were saying, since its volatility, the buy callers should be waiting and around 130 to buy it. So you just see that projection in context with this one. So somewhere around here you will get, it may not gone down also, but the clear signal would have been coming. So then you could have bought a put option. So that is what for yesterday, but today it's going to be completely something like this. So the buyers still can take a call, not on the 9:30 itself, but a small portion can be bought. But after 10:30, it will be a confirmation, and then you can go in. So this is for the call option, put option, futures and options players. Okay. So with this, straight away we'll come to the stocks in particular. Okay. So what are the stocks which we can focus today is, with respect to the Nifty, we will see, because it will be easy to trade, day trade the Nifty stocks. The Nifty 50 will be easy. Okay. So in that, which would be easy is, I think Mahindra and Mahindra would be a easy stock to trade for today, because why I'm saying is, uh, Axis Bank is in the uptrend for the last 2 days, but it will be difficult to do a day trade in it. Anything can happen, because it has fallen from the 800 levels and then it is picking up. So how the behavior it will be difficult to predict. But this guy has been in the range of this 80 points from 1100. So, and it's easy stock, and once it is go to a uptrend range, it does travel in that one. So with that, we can focus on this one. So similar story is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel is one of the difficult stocks to do the day trade, but you can do intra week or intra month. So I hope the deep traders can understand this, but the budding traders, this please take this one, and then you can watch out the stocks. Okay, so how it behaved in the previous pattern. So if at all in day trading, so you pick up from here the Mahindras and avoid Bharti Airtel, even if it will go up today, because last 2 days it is going up. The market is up today, and then ICICI Bank is a good stock, and Reliance Industries is also a good stock to do a day trade when it falls within the pattern after 10:30. So this is with respect to that one, and quickly what's the market telling us, that is what we are seeing. And then if at all in the mid cap we want to see, let's see a small cap. Small cap should not be tried for day trading. This is for intra week or intra month. Place has gone up yesterday around 10% and has come down. So if you could get 2-3 percentage on the lower side, you can get into it, and then you can expect 3 to 10 percentage for the next 1 month. And then of course Engineers India also, but Engineers India is in the range bound kind of a thing. So if you could get into it somewhere around 60 rupees or 62 rupees, you can expect somewhere exit like somewhere around 67 to 70. Around 72 there is a big resistance, and if it crosses, I think it will cross, it will take some more time. Okay, so this is with respect to that part. And then quickly, so the day trading, like you just this is the Bollinger Band and this is the middle line. So if the stock, usually it will start here itself, since it's a 1% up. So you have to wait, and then you wait for the middle line in the Bollinger Band, or in the um, kind of 15-minute candle like the middle line. You just get a support here, and then you make an entry. So if at all you want to enter in the first half, like you have 1% stop loss. Okay, so 1% stop loss would be a safe strategy for you to expect 1% profit. So, and definitely today it's a long side. So if a good stock falls in the Bollinger Band on the lower side, you pick it up. So this is with respect to the day trading. We'll come back to this one. So, and then these are the crucial time which we already discussed about call option and put option. And you watch out the India VIX, what's happening, and probably the India VIX would be favorable for the for trending upside market. So you get a confirmation, and if at all you can add up your position for the call options in the buy side. So, and tomorrow is the expiry, so you make a note of it. So at that time, so around 1 to 2 there will be a volatility, so based on our own market. So that is where you have to watch out for the India VIX. Okay, because it's not going to be independent day today, it's going to be a context with the tomorrow market. So just a brief, like this is all the day tradings, everything whatever I told is going to die today. So something which is going to be useful for the public who watches later is this part where is the SIP in Larsen and Toubro. This is a excellent, wonderful company in infrastructure. In fact, one of the standout performers for the last 10 to 20 years. You can see a lot of companies have gone and come and gone, but this is one of the companies which has stand out. It is one because of the quality of performance and quality of uh, financial fundamentals which they are maintained themselves for the company. They are never over leveraged. At times they are over leveraged, but the prime priority would be to nullify their debts. Okay, and in fact, slowly, due to the large competition which is happening in India, they then went to the Middle East, and they became a strong player and big player there. It's kind of like an Indian MNC company with a global business as well as an Indian business. So that is where the cushion for the investor comes, and that is where the cushion for the SIP also comes. So this is a history of like very good returns. The last, this has been there for the last 30-40 years, but I'm saying like captured in stock market for data performance is around 20 years. So you can seriously think about this company in the SIP, and it's also a very good dividend giving company. Somewhere around 1% consistently it gives. Why I'm saying consistently 1%, because sometimes when the stock falls, it did give 2% as well. So completely an investor friendly company. So if you could travel in this company for the next 10-20 years in SIP, it will be excellent for your asset creation. So this is the action point which you have to take from this video. So either from your portfolio you can take, or else you can contact us, so we can create a SIP in this one, or else always the evergreen SIP is also the ETS. So this is where you create the asset for yourself and your family. So thank you very much. Please have